The 5 reasons cats are better than dogs. Dogs are seen as the perfect pet because they are loyal and obedient. Cats, on the other hand, are seen as being independent and aloof. But this is just an unfair stereotype that doesn't represent who cats really are. Let's explore 5 reasons why cats make better pets than dogs. Reason 1. They don't shed. A cat is not a dog, or a hamster, or a guinea pig. Cats are different, and the most obvious difference is that cats don't shed their hair. The hair of a cat will grow to be about 3 inches long before it falls out. The hair that is shed from the skin of a cat will grow back in around 2 weeks. Reason 2. They're so cute to be your pet. But there are some upsides to having a cat as well. Cats can help with mental health, reduce stress, and provide companionship when needed. And cats also offer an interesting opportunity for children who have disabilities or learning disabilities because they can help them learn more about themselves and their environment through interacting with the animal. Reason 3. Cats don't need to be walked. Dogs need to be taken out for a walk at least once a day, or they will get bored and start chewing your furniture or digging up your garden. Cats can stay inside where it's safe and warm, but they still have plenty of opportunities to go outside if they want to explore their surroundings. Reason 4. Cats love you when you're sick or sad. Cats are known for their love and affection. They will always be there for you when you're sad or sick, and they'll never leave your side. Reason 5. Cats don't need expensive vet care. Dogs require annual shots, heartworm medication, flea treatments, and other expensive vet care that can add up very quickly over time. Cats don't require any shots or medications because all of their vaccinations were done when they were kittens.